ICO token, KYVE.
Let's start with this.
KYVE, the Web3 data lake solution, is a protocol that enables data providers to standardize, validate, and permanently stop blockchain data streams by leveraging permanent data storage solutions like Arweave. KYVE's Cosmos SDK chain creates permanent backups and ensures the scalability, immutability, and availability of these resources over time. Funding round, $9 million. Seed round, $2.8 million. POE seed round, $1 million. KYVE is a decentralized archival network that reconstitutes data streams as permanent resources. Any generated data stream, for example, a sequence of blocks from a blockchain, is standardized, proven valid, and stored permanently. By leveraging Arweave, KYVE secures the scalability, immutability, and availability of these resources over time. KYVE's architecture is fully decentralized and features two main components. The first is an autonomous governance system that handles breaches of contract. Governance functionality is enabled by way of staking and sashing KYVE, ensuring participants behave in harmony with the network's objectives. The second is a computational layer that allows for participants to run customizable nodes. In exchange for KYVE, nodes run various tasks, inheriting from core KYVE logic. These nodes validate, standardize, and archive data streams
guys getting along or any
to the community. KYVE, the KYVE token. This token decentralized governance enables within the protocol, distributed to successful network participants. KYVE serves as a reward for objectives met. Token info, ticker, KYVE, token distribution in percent, ecosystem 2750, Corellia testnet rewards 2, OO Foundation delegation 10, OO developer adoption 10, OO DEX 2, 50, R1 10, OO R2 11, 50, R3 10, OO team 16.5. Details, token supply, 1 billion KYVE, raised, $11,800,000. Legal, blockchain platform, Cosmos SDK, registration year, 2021. KYVE roadmap, Q1 Q2 2022. POC governance, improve network stability, improve slashing mechanisms, incentivize testnet, continued integrations with L1S and L2S. This is the end of this video. Kindly visit the token website to learn more about them and also join their community channel to take part in community discussion, and also do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming ICO and IDO token